as to give her the first step in acne treatment is to make sure that your acne kind of stops happening in that area. So but basically what we did was that we first gave her Accutane. Now Accutane is a medication that you take by mouth. She had to take that treatment for like a couple of months. Right after acne treatment with Accutane, which she continued for like a few months, her skin cleared out and she stopped breaking out. Now 2 years later, as her skin completely cleared out, we started treating her scars. So then she came in and we did an infusion, which is our Juvanni infusion, and we did a microneedling, which is microneedling with an RF laser. And today she has now she went healed from it and everything, and now she's back for her part 2 of her laser. And part 2 of the laser is with a plasma laser, which is like a little different modality than our routine laser with the for acne, which is the microneedling. So microneedling is a different kind of laser, and this is like a different kind of laser. So hang in and see how. If you have any questions or whatever, just let us know. I'm going to start the treatment. She has numbed. We gave her an ibuprofen. She's doing it on a Friday because she's not going to have to go to work. She doesn't have to show her face, and it is the winter time. It's the dead of winter. Nobody's going to be interested. Even if she has to go out, she can literally wrap herself up, and that's what you want. We want after the treatment, she will have like a few days of downtime because it's a deep treatment. It's like a plasma laser. Let me see if I can even turn. Can I turn this around? I don't know how to turn it around. Flip camera. Yes. So this is the machine. It is the Opus. And as you can see, I'm going to start her at a very low level. And then it has, since it's a plasma laser, you can see it has like a wheel which goes on top of the skin, and it basically treats the skin. It's also a wheel, and it also is something that we basically also do it in some certain other ways. Now let me see if I can flip the camera. Oh, and also let's see our hot lady. She's so, look, this lady, if we showed her skin, like you gotta send me those acne